This race doesn't come around too often, and this chance is only once a year, and you need to live out your goals and your dreams and get to the finish line in the best place possible. I think, yeah, with having the #1 plate, there's always a little bit of an added extra pressure, so everyone's kind of got their eyes on you straight up from the start before the race even really kicks off. We've just got to look past that and make sure we get on the bike and do our job and focus on each day's stage. So it doesn't change the bike, it doesn't change myself. At the end of the day, it is just a number, and we need to focus on what's ahead. But it's always good to have that number, and you want more of it.
A new challenge for everybody, and now is really that everybody is starting from zero, because I don't think that anybody was already in the new land where we go. And also the images and the pictures what I saw looks really amazing, and I think we have a different Dakar than in South America, but I think it's a really cool one.
I think the Dakar is quite different from a lot of sports, and it still kind of has that wildness about it. Once they set you off in the morning, it's you, your bike and the desert. You're racing through these crazy terrains on your own, and in some ways uncontrolled. You know, it's not like circuit racing where they've got the marshals and all the rest. So I think it's cool. You know, it's still got that adventure side there, which is nice, and is why I love it.
The relationship with the team is incredible. They call me the junior, so I'm the junior of the team. But yeah, I'm really happy to be here. This is my second family. This is what makes the difference in Dakar. Dakar is a race where you are always alone in the desert, but when you finish and you are in the bivac, you really have to feel like in a family. So KTM is like this, and this is why it's really important, and I feel really happy and thankful to be in this team, that is the winning team.
It's always a big expectation on KTM team, because we won already 18 times in a row Dakar. So this is of course some kind of pressure, but also is something that gives us a big motivation. It's not that we relax after the victories, but we want to make it as much bigger as possible. It's a record, this is what we are doing. This is only possible because it's a good mix. We have good riders, we have a good bike, the team is doing really good, so we try to check all these details, and at the end it's always a big fight, because it sounds easy, but always is really difficult, and we get only the last moment of the race the victories, but we want to start this one again and fight to get this 19th title.